Throughout the semester, the students are learning a lot of content through online educational modules, but it's a critical component to have the students do hands-on activities. So the purpose of this class is to do an investigation regarding the different approaches to growing plants using hydroponics.
Our project is a cut flower production system, which is a little different than a normal hydroponic system due to hydroponics usually being lettuce, tomatoes, strawberries, basil, so more of a food production. We decided to do cut flowers.
It's pretty low maintenance. All we have to do is kind of check the pH and EC every so often, make sure that the rock wool is staying wet, nothing's drying out, but otherwise it pretty much sustains itself.
We have a Beto bucket system, but more customized to what we're doing. So it's not a traditional hydroponic system like an NFT or a raft system. We have rock wool as our substrate and leca at the bottom. So we have a closed system, which is recirculating. We have our reservoir with water and a pump that pumps the water up from the bottom through an irrigation system we have that which runs 3 times a day for an hour.
So we are using significantly less water than a typical cut flower production system would use.
We start the class off using pH meters and EC meters, which measures how many nutrient salts are in there. They learned a lot of how difficult it is to keep that pH in the range in which plants love. So I think the hands-on component does play a major role in aligning that content with the application for the future.
Stacy is absolutely amazing. He is extremely understanding and he was super open to us trying our cut flower system since it's something that's pretty different. So he's been super helpful in figuring out what would work and what wouldn't and kind of leading us in the right path.
And I wasn't really interested in hydroponics before, but after taking this class, I've kind of grown a passion for it. It's been a lot of fun.